Well, my family has been in long-term care since the early 1970s, and it was obviously in my blood to do. Long-term care is sick. It's a sick industry. We are trying to change the culture of providing long-term care because the culture today is something, again, that you and I would not particularly enjoy.
Fairhaven was a 10-year project for Mr. Tomlin. They'd been working on it for a long time, gone through several iterations. The project had almost grown stale and was getting to a place where it needed to find a way to come back to life.
We were working in silos of financial implications and operational implications and construction implications, and those really weren't talking together.
Not being able to get the project into budget meant that it wasn't going to be able to be financed and actually become a project.
Golden Construction helped us advance things even further because we now had an architect and a contractor working together.
Mr. Tomlin needed somebody that could come in and create visibility in the process, to really work with the engineers and the architects and find some kind of creative solution that would allow the scope of the project to be built inside the budget constraints. The way we went about solving this was to try and build the projects all at the same time. 3 buildings, same campus, same time.
We began to talk about things such as using pods for our bathrooms in some of our standalone buildings.
With the bathroom pods, they were manufactured off-site down in Florida. The important thing about the pods, something Golden's learned as we've worked with these, is not only how to buy the pods and have them be a component in a building, but how to use them to pick up schedule efficiencies and to minimize the manpower resource on a project. Using the pre-assembled bathrooms and the pre-panelized walls, some of our BIM coordination, and even the collaboration we had with the engineers providing clarity on the prints allowed us to be able to take those 3 buildings on at the same time and produce the buildings in less time than we traditionally would have. Without bathroom pods, without the wall panels, without our pre-construction collaboration, without Golden's ability and their GPS system to get into the project and make it happen, this project wouldn't have existed.
When I walk through the construction areas, it is a moment of awe. I think if it was just a job for Golden Construction, they would be here just to build a building. They're not here to do that. They understand what I'm trying to do, what the organization is trying to do, and they're fully engaged.
The construction industry has not moved forward from a production standpoint in the last 60 years. And so it's imperative that we change the way the industry works.
I can stand there today and know that the results of what we've done, what Golden Construction's done, is going to improve the lives of thousands of people to come.